So we're just giving the engine a quick scrub down here. It wasn't too dirty to begin with, but it's cleaned up pretty good. First nice day in Seattle.
Yeah, not too bad. I haven't even painted the block yet, but it still has the nice black color on there.
So you're going Bayside Blue for the block also?
No. Oh, I don't think they've even seen it yet.
Oh, sure.
I got my valve covers powder coated. So these are Bayside Blue. You know, the OEM color for the R34 Skyline. I thought it would look pretty good in a black engine bay.
Oh, if you keep the engine bay black then?
Yeah. It's nice because these things are all metal, so you can get them powder coated. And here's my modified timing cover. It says RB25. And then it has a little hole for the intake cam gear. But yeah, they do look really nice.
Told me, huh?
I haven't stuck it on yet, but I don't even have a Tomei exhaust on there anymore. I decided against that because it's just way too loud. Heard one in person and it's just like you're gonna go deaf. But anyways, as you can see, I've been working on the RB25 here. I got the exhaust manifold, the turbo off, and I actually just finished drilling out this stud here.
Oh yeah, it was broken when you got it, right?
Yeah, I didn't break it, it was already like that. So someone's been there already. But luckily, I drilled it out without messing anything up. And yeah, there you go. So I got super lucky there.
You'd be doing all these, right? These hoses, all return here.
Yeah, I'm gonna replace this hose here.
This already looks new. Or is that not new?
With the hose?
Yeah. Or this part, no?
I don't know. I mean, the engine's just super clean already. But, and then if you take a look over here, I got a whole lot of boxes to unbox. A lot of goodies here. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with this box here. This is a Tomei Turbo Elbow. Yeah, this is nice. Nice and shiny, open design, so the exhaust can flow a lot better. What else? Came with gaskets. And a couple of stickers. Next up, I got this Megan downpipe. This is going to be direct bolt-on, no modification required. Yeah, this looks pretty good, but you never know. Megan's kind of a cheaper brand. Couple of silicone vacuum hoses and a bunch of different sizes. Exhaust studs, because as you just saw, mine were snapped. Cam angle sensor and gasket. OEM fuel injector O-rings. This is all the silicone coolant hoses. This, just some nice bolts for the timing cover, and this one's for the coil packs. Let's see what else. OEM timing belt. OEM thermostat, all the little idlers, there's 2 of them, and the spring for the idler. I actually just found out that this is the same part on a moped Kickstarter, if you want to look that up. And this is the water pump. Okay, now here's a big box. Can you see that? It says Grady right here. So this is actually my intercooler kit. It came with all the piping here. Another one. All the clamps and couplers. And here's the actual intercooler. Looks pretty nice. Says Gritty right here in the bottom and on the top. And finally, this is probably the most expensive part I've got here. It's kind of a big box. Came with nice gaskets and a nice little plate here. Alright, so this is a HKS Super Turbo Muffler. I went with this instead because I heard the Tomei in person and I think it's just super loud. You would go deaf, like in one drive. So this should be a nice alternative to that. It looks really nice. This tip's massive, it's like 5 inches. Put your whole fist in here. And that also came with this. So it should be pretty quiet but also pretty loud at the same time, if you know what I mean. I watched a couple of YouTube videos and it does sound really good. Yeah, I guess that just about does it for all the parts that I got so far. I still have an intake manifold on the way from Australia. I still got to order a drive shaft and engine paint, engine bay paint, and that should be it. So Nissan Fest is about a little less than 2 months out, and I'm trying to get this RB25 here in before Nissan Fest. It sounds like a lot of time, but it's actually not.
It's like 2 months. April 20 something.
Yeah, it's on April 21st. But what I'm saying is, like, I need to get the engine in and running, and I gotta like shake it down and stuff. In 2 months, that's kind of not that much time.
Yeah, so if you're in this Seattle area, there's Nissan Fest happening up north at Evergreen. So all Nissan makes and models will be there.
Yeah, I'll be driving my Skyline up there for sure. Even if it's swapped or not. But it'll be there. And what are you gonna drive?
I'm probably taking a Z. since there's a bunch of 240s going to be there.
Yeah.
And I feel like the Z is not really, you know, represented.
Yeah, I mean, the 240 is nice and all, but there's like a lot of them on the road. I mean, not on the road, but like there's just a lot more of them than a Z. I guess you can say the same thing about a Skyline, but they're pretty common up here now. But this is my only Nissan, so. But yeah, I definitely can't. I don't want to bring it up here non-turbo, crusty looking. That's why I want to get the engine in, have fun driving up there and stuff. So yeah, this thing has got to get in there soon, but I don't want to rush it either. So I guess for the next video, I'll be replacing the timing belt, the water pump. Then I got to replace this back plate here, since I'm running RB26 valve covers. And I'm gonna paint this side of the block, replace the studs, and put the turbo back on. I don't want to touch the intake side yet because there's a lot of hoses here, and I don't want to take it all apart and forget where they all go. So I'll wait for my new intake to get here, then we'll get started on that. But yeah, it's getting there slowly.